My dear children, today I am with the word congratulations. When someone wins a match, or when someone is promoted, or when someone has succeeded in doing something special, then we always say congratulations. Now it has become old. We can use other words or phrases in the place of congratulation. For example, like you did it, sensational, amazing, I am impressed, that's the way, felicitation. So, in the place of congratulations, we can say I'm impressed, it's amazing, sensational, that's the way, outstanding, and felicitation. Okay.